So sa part 4 na ating basic navigation lessons, magpo-focus tayo sa video ito sa pagko-compute ng steaming time. So again, para mahanap natin yung steaming time, ang ginagamit natin is yung DST pyramid. So for the example, scenario 6, finding steaming time. MV Empress is maneuvering at an average speed of 12 knots. How long would it take to cover 3,246 nautical miles? So ang given natin is distance 3,246 nautical miles, average speed of 12 knots, and ang hinahanap natin ay steaming time. So again, ang hinahanap natin ay steaming time. Ang gagamitin natin ay yung DST pyramid. So nawawala ay time 3,246 nautical miles divided by 12 knots is equal to 270.5 hours. So para makuha natin yung days, 270.5, tanggalin natin yung decimal point. 270 divided by 24, the answer is 11.25 or 11 days. Para makuha natin yung exact hours, 11 times 24, 264 minus 270, yung original answer natin. Ang sagot is 6 hours. And para doon sa decimal point, 0.5 times 60 is equal to 30 minutes. So ang steaming time natin is 11 days, 6 hours, and 30 minutes. Doon na nag-e-end ang ating part 4 ng basic navigation video.